vowel sounds. Because of the way that we teach and the way that they're learning, and using that multisensory, explicit instruction, and a very structured way of teaching, you get to see the kids' aha moment, their light bulb moment. Just getting to witness that on a daily basis, it just warms my heart and makes me so happy.
I love that it is structured, that we still teach it to even our older elementary 5th and 6th graders, and then that even with the structure we can have a lot of fun with some hands-on activities and things that engage the students in different ways.
The ultimate goal of CodeBreakers is to take the guesswork out of reading and spelling and teach students the rules of the English language so they can become fluent, confident readers and spellers.